Hi everyone, it's Greg Basile from Keller, Wayne, and today we're going to talk about your morning routine. I believe the morning routine is the most important thing for your business, for your life and for your business, and top producers say the same. Let's start with the night before. The night before is when you should put together what your day's going to look like, what you need to do, some things you have to achieve. Get ready for that next day. Then once the day starts, you want to prioritize what you need to do. What do you need to do first? What can wait till later? Prioritizing your schedule is key. Time blocking, all those things I talked about prior, you can see on my YouTube or my blog. Also, first thing in the morning, social media. You have to be a part of social media. Wish your clients a happy birthday. Go through Facebook, go through any social media. Facebook, the best, it shows when their birthday is. LinkedIn will also show that as well. Wish them a happy birthday. I've had people say, you were the first one that wished me a happy birthday. My day starts, just adding this in, with going to the gym in the morning, getting some exercise. And while I'm there, I'm going on Facebook, wishing them a happy birthday, and then I can make a call to them once I get into the office. Another thing you want to be mindful of is to re-prepare. Like just take at a high level, prepare just for a minute for your appointments, for your calls, anything you need to do that day. Just go over it again high level so you're prepared. We definitely don't want to prepare on our clients. The other thing is get in a rhythm. Get in a rhythm so you're feeling good. And as you're doing all of these things, you're already going to be in a rhythm. The important part about getting into a rhythm is you're feeling it, things feel good. And at that point, when you have a moment, do a video. People are like, I'm too busy, I don't have time. Do the video then. You're going to look good, you're going to feel good, you're in your rhythm. Great things will come out, and share that video on social media. Thank you for spending the time with me. This is Greg Basile from Keller, Wayne. Reach out to me on my blog, check out my YouTube, or just give me a call to set up a quick appointment at no additional charge and no obligation to you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.